a businessman, and an imam or an Islamic priest. These are the two suspects in the foiled bombing incident near the U.S. Embassy in Manila on Monday. PNP Chief Ronald Bato de la Rosa says Jiaher Ginar and Rayson Kilala alias Rashid are members of Ansar al-Khalifa Philippines, which pledged allegiance to the terror group ISIS.
Siya, pagdating dito, tinunover sa kanya yung bomba, pati sasakyan. Ito ang naglagay sa bomba. Na-recover sa kanya yung cellphone na ginamit pang trigger doon sa bomba.
De la Rosa says the homemade bomb was transported to Manila from Mindanao via a Toyota Revo. And the initial target, Luneta Park.
Luneta muna. Sabi niya, since hindi sumabog, tapos nakonsensya daw siya na baka maraming mamatay, ito si Rashid, sinabihan niya na doon na lang tayo sa ibang lugar, dahil sa Ruas Boulevard, hanggang finally doon nakita sa basurahan.
The PNP admits possible security lapses in the undetected transport of the improvised explosive device. Police are still looking for 3 more individuals who may have returned to Lanao del Sur to fight with the Maute Group. De la Rosa says Ansar al-Khalifa Philippines has an alliance with the Maute Group.
Kailang motive para ma-recognize sila ng ISIS. Kasi as of now, yung status nila as allied with ISIS is hanging in the balance. At the same time, yung to ease up the pressure doon sa nangyaring gira ngayon doon sa Butig, Lanao Sur.
The PNP chief says the country is under terror alert level 3, the highest in the terrorism advisory system because of the threat. Meaning terror groups could retaliate because of the firefight between the military and the Maute Group in Butig, Lanao del Sur.
Sa security threat level, that doesn't mean na merong talagang present and imminent danger of terrorist act or terrorist bombing dito sa Metro Manila in particular.
But the PNP says the public has nothing to worry about. In fact, De La Rosa even went to a mall in Mandaluyong City to give gifts to children of drug users or pushers who have turned themselves into the police. Wearing a Santa Claus costume, Santa Chief De La Rosa says despite security concerns, the police are there to ensure public safety and security.
Lalong-lalo at magpapasko, maniguro tayo na hindi tayo masingitan naman uli. Yun lang po sa amin, yung Marcelo, please forget about that. Hindi namin yan iniisip.
George Giles, CNN Philippines.